So if you're heading out into the Scottish winter mountains, there are several pieces of kit which are absolutely essential to keep you safe as much as possible. So I've got a good clothing layering system, and the first thing is a map and compass. Your paper map can stay in your bag if you're going to navigate from your phone, but if you have got an application like Outdoor Active, just make sure you've downloaded the maps before you leave the house so you've got them safe. Next up in winter is an ice axe, goggles, and I'm wearing my crampons. And if I'm heading into steep ground, then I'll take a helmet as well. Two bits of kit that will stay in my bag, but I'm hoping I don't need to take them out, is a first aid kit and an appropriately sized group shelter, whether that's one for you or one for a group of 6. Just make sure you've got the right one. A hot drink in a flask and plenty of food. You can keep a lot of body heat going through the day by staying well fed and well hydrated. I've then got a small bag of spares just in case anything happens, so I've got a spare compass, a head torch and batteries, or a full spare head torch as well. A waterproof shell. This is a top and bottom that can pack down nice and small but is durable enough for winter mountaineering. I've then got a couple of spare hats and gloves as well, and I'm hoping I don't need to take these out, but these are my last resort in case all my multiple gloves have gotten wet. I've got a couple of layers on. So I've got a soft shell on the top, but this is a synthetic jacket as well that I can layer up just in case it gets really cold and windy. And then finally, I've got my big beefy belay jacket, synthetic, not down, for the UK climate, that packs down nice and small. But if I'm stopping for a while, then I'll take that out if I'm on a belay pitch and things like that. And then finally, that should all pack into a 30-litre rucksack. But if you're carrying extra equipment like rope, then maybe you need a 40-litre as well.